Hello, Aviator Nation, and welcome to your next lab here in science. Hi, I'm your host, Mr. Little, and it's great to see you guys. I hope you're having a great day. If not, I hope it gets better. And in science class, we are going to be doing a lab, and this lab is on mass. And just like you did in class with your virtual lab of your triple balance beam, you are going to be doing this hands-on today. You guys did a great job, by the way, on the virtual lab, and I think you got an idea of how this is going to look like in the real world. So let's jump right into it. You are going to get 7 types of substances in which you have to find the mass of. In each substance, I have already pre-poured them for 100 mils, okay? And so there's 100 milliliters of each of these substances in here. Let me introduce the substances. You have these pinto beans, sand, like playground, salt, wood chippies. This is like the stuff that you would find in a hamster cage. Birdseed, water, and vegetable oil. So the first thing you're going to do, part 1 of the lab, you are going to, with your partner on this piece of paper, you are going to estimate how many grams are in each one of these substances, okay? To give you an idea how much a gram weighs is about the size of this paperclip right here. So just to get an idea, one of those paper clips is about 1 gram, okay? And so when we're finding the mass, that's kind of like a great indicator. So you can estimate what the mass is of these 7 objects. Then part 2, once you have found those estimations and you have ranked them in your order of what you think is the largest mass to the smallest mass, you're going to get to part 2, which looks very similar. And on part 2, you're actually going to use the triple balance beam. You're going to make sure it's zeroed out like we talked about in our virtual experiment the other day. And then you are going to find the mass of each one of these objects. And then we're going to see if your estimates were right on the money or not. Now, I'm not going to do this with extra credit, but I'm going to give 4 signatures for those who can estimate the mass of our eagle buddy that lives in our classroom. So if you are watching this at home, your extra credit for 4 signatures in your handbook, if you can estimate the mass of this eagle. All right, aviators, we will see you guys in science class.